of a way you can create a full width section with a background, but then keep your content contained in a more narrow container. So anyway, I'll show you how you can create this layout with both plugins. First thing is you want to make sure here in the page settings on the back end that you have full width contained selected. Now you can also set that in the customizer. You can also set a more narrow width for your content in the customizer. Right now it's at 1200 px, which is pretty wide. But I will show you here in a minute how you can change that specifically for every single block if you wish. But it might be nice to change in the customizer to the general width that you want, so you don't have to do this so much. So let's create a new block. We'll start with Cadence. Cadence uses the row layout to create. It's called row to create like columns and that sort of thing. So let's select the row, and here we're going to click this button that says change alignment and select full width. Then over here on the settings, we will select background settings, and you can change it to a color. You can also use a photo or video. And then we want to go to structure settings and input the width of the content. So I'm just going to say 750 for example, and then we'll add a block here. We'll do advanced heading, but of course you can put anything in there. Okay, and we'll update this page. Let's see what we got. Okay, so there we have it, full width with some content centered. And now let's do the same thing with Stackable. Same process, just a little bit different because Stackable is laid out differently. So Stackable uses what they call a container instead of a row. So we'll create a container. Same thing, we're going to hover on this button and click change alignment, change it to full width. Now you can see the content goes to 1200 px because that's what's set in the customizer. So we want to go to, let's see, I believe it is, well first let's set the background. So we'll pick a color, and then we go to advanced, block spacing, and then here we can set our max content width. Okay, and why don't we just duplicate this block and drag it down into that container. Update the page. And there you have it. Now you can see out of the box that Cadence has slightly different paddings, it looks like. Not quite sure why that is. It starts further in on the page and it ends further out, but you can play with that and adjust the paddings and sizes as needed.